Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Capricorn. Let's see what's going to happen in their love life in the month of August. Okay, first we will focus on your person's feeling, then we will see what you are feeling like. Okay, and if I feel I have to clarify some cards, I'll do so. It is a general reading, guys, so it might not resonate with everyone here, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so just let's start with a reading. Okay, what's this Capricorn's person feeling like in the month of August? What they will be feeling like? Capricorn's person. Okay, what's happening? I feel intuitively I'm feeling as if you or your person is feeling overwhelmed, like exhausted, tired, overwhelmed with everything that has been going around. Okay, let's see. Okay, the Lovers, you might be dealing with a Gemini. These are your person's feelings, so yes, just remember that. Okay, Ten of Wands. I told you I'm definitely feeling someone is feeling burdened, someone is feeling overwhelmed. Okay, so I think you are seeing the cards clearly now. This is Ace of Pentacles. Might be dealing with another earth sign maybe, okay, or a fire sign. Four of Cups. Let's focus. What are you feeling like in the month of August? What are your feelings going to be like in the month of August? How is Capricorn going to feel? Five of Pentacles. These are your feelings. Four of Swords, might be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Queen of Wands. Strength, definitely. Okay, Capricorn. So what I'm seeing here is with all these cards on your person's side, they want to feel loved. They are missing you. In the month of August, I'm definitely seeing your person is feeling as if you have abandoned them, or maybe you are feeling like this. Okay, you can switch the roles however it might suit your situation. I definitely feel your person is going to feel a lot alone, left out. Maybe there was some misunderstanding in the past and you left this person or they left you, and this person is feeling a lot alone, and they don't find that balance within themselves in the month of August. Okay, they want commitment, they want stability, they want clarity is what I'm saying here. But because it is quite possible that you are not returning back to this person, so they are feeling a little bit pressure, like they are feeling burdened, they have to move on with their life. Okay, so the thin line between moving away and staying and waiting for you, this is kind of burdening your person in the month of August. I think they will move away if you will take too long. Okay, so you can switch the roles. Okay, it might be you and your person is feeling like this. Okay, but as I have pulled out these cards for your person, so I will narrate as I see. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is in the month of August, your person is feeling a little bit abandoned. Maybe they don't have you, maybe they don't have this clarity and this commitment with you, and that is stressing them out. Okay, so maybe they are moving away, in the month of August from you, your thoughts. Okay, because they are going to miss you, they are going to feel this lack of clarity and lack of commitment. Okay, from your side, maybe you're not communicating with them from a long. Okay, what they want is they want a new start, a new beginning is what I see here, but you are not offering them, maybe, Capricorn. So if you are going to keep them stuck, what other what other option is left with that person? It's to move up, move on. They can't keep waiting for you all lifelong, right? So it might be you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Maybe they are focusing on their career now, maybe they are focusing on what they need to do, what is right for them. They are prioritizing, they will prioritize themselves in this month of August. I'm definitely seeing, in spite of I'm seeing this person moving away, they have this hard feeling like their heart is sinking. They don't want to, but because you are not offering anything to this person, they will move away, like they will drift away slowly but surely. Okay, now looking at your side, what I see here is with this 5 of Pentacles, you feel as if you don't have to chase this person. Maybe in past you chased this person a lot, and maybe you are now tired, you don't want to chase this person, or maybe you want this person to initiate everything and come back. Okay, so just waiting there. I'm also seeing with this 4 of Swords, you're healing. Maybe this breakup brought you a lot of heartbreak, and you want to just move on with your life. Okay, but that is hurting you too. They are hurting, you're hurting, everyone is hurting out here. Okay, I'm also seeing with this Queen of Wands. Maybe in some cases you will try to get back to this person, and you will start taking action because you don't feel complete without this person. Okay, so if you don't feel complete, and that's hurting you. Okay, that's hurting you. You need to trust the situation. You need to you need to decide for yourself. You need to have, maybe you ghosted this person in the past, and now you have to decide on how to get back to this person. So this is about the Strength card. You might be dealing with a Leo too. Okay, definitely I'm seeing here a lack of commitment. You are not giving them commitment, or maybe they are not giving you commitment, and both of you are hurting. Okay, what I see here is someone is drifting away because the other person did not take any action. Okay, it's too late. It's kind of too late. Okay, definitely someone needs to take action. Either it is you or your person. Someone needs to take action to take things further. So let's clarify some cards. Why is Ten of Wands here? Yes, feeling alone. Maybe your person is tired of waiting. They're tired of waiting alone. All they have is your memories and your love and the warmth you showed them in past, maybe. So they are missing you. Queen of Cups is a card of feelings, emotions. She is Queen of Cups. She has all the all the love in the world. She has it. She has all the emotions. So maybe because she is feeling that you're not offering anything, you're not offering her commitment, that is why she is drifting away. Okay, she don't want to, but she have to. There's no other option left on her side. Okay, let's clarify some more cards. Why is 4 of Cups here? I think you need to talk to your person. Okay, because I feel as if you love them too, but there are some things which are not letting you. That is in your head. You're just overthinking everything. Okay, Capricorn. So just don't make it hard for you and your person. Why is 4 of Cups here? Definitely, I feel you're their only happiness. That is why they are feeling alone, left out. Maybe there are, there is age gap. They are younger to you, or maybe you're younger to them, and this is just a difference in opinion. Okay, that is causing all the distress over here. Okay, so they feel as if you're their source of happiness, and now they don't have you. They don't feel any happy. Okay, so this is quite sad, because this is a sign of codependency. Maybe they are emotionally dependent on you. Okay, and you are testing their limits. What is 5 of Pentacles about? Okay, 5 of Swords. So clarifying Five of Pentacles, we have Five of Swords. I feel as if you too feel defeated. Maybe you had misunderstandings about this person in the past. Maybe they did something and you misunderstood it, and maybe that is why you feel hurt. Okay, because we have Four of Swords here. You feel hurt, you feel defeated. Okay, Four of Swords, Five of Swords. I mean, you too feel sad. You have to clarify some things with them, to release them. If you don't want them, at least release, give it a closure, talk to them. Okay, what is the Strength card about? Yes, I feel the thing is, you are also into this push and pull. You don't want to lose this person, and you don't have courage to face this person now. Maybe you in the past you ghosted them, and now you don't know how to get back. That is what I'm seeing here. Okay, let's see what advice do we have for Capricorn over here in the month of August. What advice do we have for Capricorn? Two cards for Capricorn. Capricorn, you need to open up. Okay, miracle. Maybe miraculously you both are going to come back together. This is what this message is. Okay, so just be open to receive, Capricorn. You don't need to hide your feelings because it's hurting you. Look at this, it's hurting you. Don't run away from your feelings, just own them. Discovery, yes, definitely. It is because you have some insecurities. You misunderstood this person. You have some insecurities, and you don't need to be harsh on this person, and you're on yourself too. Just discover yourself. Okay, so this was it. Let's see what handwritten messages do we have for you. These are my handwritten messages. Let's see what messages do we have for you for the month of August. For the month of August, dominance. Maybe you want to dominate this person, or maybe they are dominating. They were dominating you in the past. Okay, ambitious. I think you have become career. You have become. You have been triggered about your career. Maybe you are taking charge of your career. Or maybe the person you're dealing with is quite ambitious. Okay, earth sign, this is you, Capricorn. Okay, or you are also dealing with an earth sign. Maybe separation. Maybe this is a separation. This is the end. You're not getting back together. That is why this message came up. Or many of you might be, coming out of this separation. Stalker. Maybe you both are stalking each other, or maybe they are stalking you. Definitely. Okay. So this is what we have for Capricorn for the month of August. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and yes, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in the next video.